This is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Network and Internet category. Onwards, go for the Wi-Fi. Make sure to connect your device to the network you would like to share. Then open its network details page. Onwards, tap at the Share function. And the following Share Wi-Fi page will not only reveal the actual Wi-Fi password, but also provide you with the convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other phone or tablet you have, and it will be automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.